We begin this story on a snowy Christmas night. Snowmen are sleeping and reindeer in flight. Stockings are hung and carols sung. Join the fun, we've just begun. A magical tale for everyone.
Ho, ho, ho! Ho, ho, ho!
Huh? Woo! Hey!
Hey everyone! What a surprise! What are you doing here? We heard a loud noise and wanted to check it out.
Oh no! What was that?
It came from over there! Let's go!
Merry Christmas, children!
Santa! It's really you!
It's really me, kids. But I've got a big problem. My sleigh crashed, and if I don't fix it, I won't be able to deliver the rest of my presents to all the children around the world.
That means there won't be Christmas tomorrow when everyone wakes up. What are we going to do?
I need your help. My magic is almost empty. If I use it to repair the sleigh, I won't have enough magic left to deliver all the presents.
Leave it up to us, Santa.
We have an idea, Santa.
We're going to use science to fix your sleigh and make it better than ever. We'll work together.
That's very kind of you all. I will stay here and look after the reindeer. Your school is over there. It will have lots of science equipment.
Let's go!
I'm going to make a new map to every house.
I've got the perfect idea. I'm going to create super special rocket fuel. Santa will be flying around faster than ever.
Children, you made it back. And just in time. We don't have long before I need to deliver the rest of the presents.
We all work together to make a new sleigh for you, Santa. I use physics to build a North Pole compass so you can always find your way home.
I use maths to make the best map in the world.
I use chemistry to make super fast rocket fuel. Make sure to strap yourself in. I use biology to make you a healthy drink. But then I filled it with tequila, ice cream, and some cheese I found on the floor.
Amazing work, everybody. You see what we can do when we use science and work together? Now, let's start it up.
What's wrong? It's not flying.
Something's missing. It's magic. That's what's missing. The sleigh and reindeer fly because of magic. Even a little bit will do.
But you have magic, Santa.
But Christmas Eve is almost over, so my magic is low. I need my magic to jump down the chimney to deliver the millions of presents. I don't have enough for the sleigh and reindeer.
But what's going to happen to Christmas? Is it over? Hello? Huh? I think I can help. Who is he? Should we trust him? He looks different to us.
Now, children, sometimes people look a little different or behave in a different way to us, but that's okay. We should always try our best to be nice to them. Now, it's William, isn't it?
How did you know my name?
Ho, ho, I'm Santa. I know everyone's name. So, William, how can you help?
I have a magic watch. My dad used to do magic tricks for me. He's gone now, but he left me his watch. It's the only thing I have. It's not much, but I think it will work.
But if you use its magic, you won't have his watch anymore.
It's okay. It made me happy. But now it can make lots of other kids happy too. That's what's important now.
Here we go!
It worked! Christmas magic! Well done, everybody! You all saved Christmas! Ho, ho, ho!
And then it didn't work, but then magic made it work, and then Santa went off flying to deliver the presents.
Oh, really? Well, it looks like you had quite an adventure. But I think it's time our little Christmas elf gets to sleep. Ho, ho, ho!
Good morning. Woo! Oh no!
William! Hey everyone. What are you all doing here? We didn't want you to be alone on Christmas, so we came to find you.
You're our friend. We should be together like a family.
We all love you, William.
You helped us save Christmas. We couldn't have done it without you.
You all came here to see me? Of course. Christmas is more than just presents. It's about spending time with people you care about. And we also brought food and games and warm clothes too. It's magical. Thank you, my new family. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas!